This cat runs out of any room when they hear the autofeeder. A person throwing an invisible ball into a bag.
Throw it real hard. There you go. How do you hit, man? Go ahead.
A duckling happy to be set free. This is what it looks like when a whale comes up for air.
Yeah.
Also for the brain, the pom-pom stick. The yellow pom-pom's connected to the red pom-pom, but also the red pom-pom over here. This yellow pom-pom's connected to this red pom-pom, and also the yellow pom-pom over here. The two yellow pom-poms are actually connected, and also to the yellow pom-pom over here. The red pom-pom is the purple pom-pom, and the red pom-pom over here. These two pom-poms are connected.
A bull rider going for a ride.
I really just want to scare people. Somebody will probably call the fucking cops on you. I'll just run and hide.
Give me all them cheeks! Give me all them cheeks! Now, give them to me! Get them up there! Get them up there!
Oh my god!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Lick a bit.